Today we're going to be breaking away from Mom's cookbook collection, and I went online to find a recipe for spaghetti squash. I've never had it before, I've never cooked it before, but it looks pretty easy. The recipe comes from the website Love and Lemons, and this is just the basic recipe for cooking the spaghetti squash, but we're going to be serving it with the garden special tomato sauce that we made about a month ago, and that'll be a meat sauce. I accidentally canned the spaghetti sauce. I put it in a mason jar with a vacuum seal, an older vacuum seal, and I put it in hot and I put it in the fridge. And I went to take it out today, and lo and behold, the vacuum held. So now it is vacuum sealed. So we've got Garden Fresh spaghetti sauce. Ingredients: Garden Fresh spaghetti sauce. If you don't have that, just pasta sauce. 1 spaghetti squash, 1 pound of hamburger, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Preparation: cut the spaghetti squash in half and scoop out the seeds. Drizzle the insides with olive oil. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. It's a light drizzle and a light sprinkle. Too much salt and the spaghetti squash becomes mushy. Poke holes in the skin, 4 or 5 lines with a fork. Roast for 30 to 40 minutes. Preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a fork to scrape into strands. Work outside and fluff up as you go. For this very simple recipe, it got kind of complicated because it had a lot of moving parts. I think I got all of the squash out. It looks pretty strandy. I forgot to vent the squash, so I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but it made quite a lot. And I'll be serving this with my pasta sauce and a yellow rice, authentic Spanish rice. This is Vigo. I get this at the dollar store, and it is very good. Surprisingly, it is very good. Also has a nice kind of a kick to it I like. It has the consistency of spaghetti. Well, not quite. It's a very nice consistency. It is definitely al dente. Not mushy at all. I like it. A very good combination. Now, I'll be mixing all of these things up and put them in the fridge, and then pecking away at it over the course of the week.